Good morning. My name is Stephen Sandlin from Oceaneering International. Our best practice that we want to share today is we started down our incident management policy several years ago where we set the context for HSE, quality, and asset damage and started to determine, like most of you, when do we do our investigations, when do we trigger our investigations in that process. Over the years, we've evolved, and we're starting to rely on the same 4 or 5 people to do our investigations on the major and high impact incidences. So what I have to present here today is we've taken an approach now where we're looking at the competencies around the investigation process. So when we look at the individuals offshore, they have a role in the incident management process to take control of the scene, to take the steps to preserve the evidence. We have competencies around our investigators. We want them to demonstrate certain knowledge, skills, and abilities that translate into demonstratable competencies, and we assign it to the roles of the individuals in our organization. So we have our facilitators. On our teams, we always have a design authority and a process authority, and we take those individuals and we evaluate during the process until we deem them competent in our competency process. Once we deem them competent, we have the utmost trust that they're going to do a very valid root cause analysis. Thank you.